안녕하세요. 제 이름은 아이다입니다. 저는 서울에 살고 있는 외국인이에요. 이 아이는 제 고양이 문이에요. 여기. 혹시 개냥이라는 말 아세요? 문이가 완전 개냥이거든요.
너무 귀엽죠? 냥.
아무튼 이제부터는 아직 한국어를 잘 못해서 영어로 계속 이야기할게요. Okay, I tried. But yeah, so I'm living here in Seoul. I've been living here for 2.5 years. And yeah, I want to share my life here, in Seoul as a foreigner. I know there's a lot of us, and I feel like everyone has a different life, and I wanted to share a bit of mine. And although I'm still trying to learn Korean on my own, which is really hard, I'm still not good at it, so I'll try my best. And I know that there's also a lot of Korean people who want to learn English, so I felt like maybe I could teach you English by showing you my videos with English language and Korean subtitles. And I will also learn more Korean as I'm making these videos and trying to practice in real life. So yeah, join me on my channel. I will do a little presentation. So my name is Aida, not Ada. Aida. Okay, so that's my name. I'm French and I'm 26. I'm mixed race, so I'm half French and half Senegalese. And yeah, I moved here when I was 23 or 24, and now I'm 26, so time really flies. I've slowly built my little life here, and I thought that I could finally share it. I feel really happy about this new home that I moved into a few months ago, so I felt like this would be a good time to start sharing my life again. And yeah, welcome to my channel. 제 집에 오신 걸 환영해요. So for my first video, I thought I would do a house tour because I feel like my house really reflects my personality well. And to make things more fun, you can try to guess my MBTI in the comments and I will reveal it later in the video. So when you walk into my house, there's a suitcase, a longboard, and my shoe closet. And yes, I have a lot of shoes, as you can see. I love fashion and I have way too many clothes. Anyway, let's follow Muni in the kitchen. She's our tour guide today. I really love this kitchen and I bought this wooden cover on coupon to prevent any fire hazard if Muni were to jump on the stove. And of course, no French person's kitchen is complete without an oven, so I got a mini one. Since I enjoy cooking and baking, it was really important for me to have a spacious and clean kitchen. Opposite to the kitchen, we have the living room, which is my favorite room of my home. And when I moved in, the apartment was completely empty, so everything you see I purchased according to my personal taste. Honestly, I think this place is the perfect size for me, and as soon as I walked in, I knew this was the one. Initially, when I was looking for a new home, I was looking for a 2-bedroom, but since this place had a separation like that, I thought I could compromise because this place really got my eye. One of my dreams was to have a vinyl corner, so I feel so happy that I finally have one. The turntable was a gift from my friend Lena, and I think it's such a fun hobby, like going to the vinyl shop and trying to find the vinyls on my buy list. I don't know, I just really enjoy it. There's just something special about putting a vinyl on and turning it to listen to the other side. It's really relaxing. I'm passionate about music and I love singing, so this was a great hobby for me to start. As I mentioned before, I really love fashion, so I had to make this little room into a walk-in closet. And so this is the place I keep my cutest clothes in because I wanted to have them on display, and that's also where I keep my bags. And as you can see, there's mostly light colors because my color palette is spring light. And now 사장님 is taking us to the bathroom, so we will follow her. She's so silly, look at her. Nothing crazy here, but I really love this shower because it has a full separation and a rain type shower head. And then we have all my makeup bags and my skincare and everything, just girly things. And now we're gonna go to the bedroom, and Moon is excited to show you her cloud cat tower. I think this is such a good idea if you have a cat. It goes from floor to ceiling and she really loves spending time there. Usually she likes to stay at the very top or in the bubble, but right now, I don't know, she's just posing for the camera, I guess. So this is my bedroom, and I have a queen size bed because I'm pretty tall. I'm 1.75 m, so I need a lot of space. And here is a close-up of my cute shelf in my living room. As you can see, I have a lot of Pop Mart collectibles because they're so cute. And at the bottom, we have my ice skates because I like to do that in winter and I like to do longboard in summer. And for the last room of my home, we're gonna go to the second floor, and I like to call this space my cat's bedroom because she likes to spend time there when I'm not at home. There's her little bed, a smaller cat tower, and a couch that I like to lay down in to watch the sunset, but actually she's the one spending the most time in that couch, so I guess it's hers. Honestly, as a cat owner, you know, we're all the same. I just love living with her. She's so cute and cuddly. She's always next to me like my little shadow. And yeah, I just feel like she's my baby and I'm never lonely because I have her. Before I wrap up this video, I'll share what my MBTI is, and I'm pretty curious to know if you guessed it right. I am an ENFP and I think it's so fitting with my job, which is modeling. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.